How to organize Outlook folders. Open the app and look at the folder pane on the left side of the screen. You can create a new folder by right-clicking on your inbox or another folder and selecting New Folder, then typing a name for it. Use these folders to group related emails such as work, personal, or projects. You can also create subfolders inside main folders for even better organization. To move an email, simply drag and drop it into the right folder or right-click and choose Move. Outlook also lets you use rules so emails from certain senders automatically go to specific folders. If you want quick access, you can add a folder to favorites by right-clicking it and selecting Show in Favorites. Keeping your folders organized makes it easier to find important emails quickly and helps reduce inbox clutter so your account stays neat and easy to manage. And that's basically how to organize Outlook folders. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.